Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time, because of a suggestion that I had from a subscriber, I think it's a very good idea. We're going to use interior paint, latex paint. So I think it's going to be interesting, but this time, we did it before, but this time I'm going to put all the background on the canvas with a light blue, like I said, latex, white blue, so it's kind of water-based anyway, like acrylic. It's acrylic as a matter of fact. And we're going to put all the way on the canvas. Then we're going to add some paint. But I'm going to put the latex paint, I'm going to put it as is. I won't dilute it with water or anything else. I want to see what happens when you use it as is without any product in it. So we're going to see what happens. I'm going to put afterwards, I'm going to just to see how it's going to work between the colors, because I'm going to use regular acrylic. I'm going to pour over it. I'm going to put, I'm going to do, I should say, dirty pouring, fluid dirty pouring on one part of the canvas, and on the other part I'm going to do some lines over, like I said, the latex paint. So we're going to see what happens. There's no other way than to try it, so let's go and see it. So guys, I think the result is great. I think that once again, we just proved that you don't have to add a lot of product to do something great. I think, well, like you saw, it did some sales, and I think it did very interesting sales. Again, we didn't put any product instead of water, just with water, and we did make some sales out of it. So I think it's interesting. I have to be frank with you though. I'm not sure what's going to happen with the paint. Is it going to crack or anything? Because you see it, you know about it, but I don't, since I just finished it. So it's a work in progress. I'm just seeing it changing in front of my eyes, but up to now it's incredible. The result is very nice. Like you saw, I have to resist the temptation of moving around quite a bit my canvas just to put a little bit of the work everywhere. But since I wanted to see what's going to happen between the latex paint and the regular acrylic paint, I did have to stop myself. The line that I did on one end of the canvas, as you saw, I think it's very interesting. I think the result is great. The line are gonna, as time goes by, the details is more and more detailed in the line. So I think it's very interesting. I hope it's gonna stay that way. At least it's gonna work out just to stay as is, but without too much crackling. Well, sometimes crackling is good, and like always subjective. You never know, it depends on your taste, but sometimes I think the crackling is nice, so we'll see what happens. So I think, guys, it's something to try. It's not very expensive, as you saw. A gallon of latex paint is well, the one that I had, I got it in special. I think it was 16 bucks. So at that price, you can use it. I'm gonna have a lot of paint for almost a few years. So I think it's nice. I think if the result is conclusive, if it doesn't do too much crackling and it's nice, I think it's going to be a nice option instead of paying a bigger price for regular acrylic for artist paint. So I think it's nice. So guys, we'll see what happens. Hope you're going to try it, and again, thanks for being here, and I hope you're going to come back. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Bye.